Basically, viruses are microorganisms which we can't see through our bare eyes. We need a microscope to see viruses. All the viruses harm us. Some do not stay for permanent and some stay for permanent. Some stay for long. Like cold is a viral disease, but cold will only stay for a certain period of time. After that, our immune system will kill the cold viruses. Along with that, viruses are also very harmful. They can enter our body through any means. Like for example, the coronavirus, it can enter our body through our eyes, our nose, our mouth, even to some extent our ears, because those parts are just direct insertions in our body. So why do we not have any medicines for viruses? The answer is pretty simple. We don't have enough knowledge on viruses. We don't have enough knowledge on the virus immune system. We don't have enough knowledge. See, the reason that we don't have enough knowledge about viruses, there are a couple of reasons, but the most prominent reason is that in the atmosphere, not in the human body, in the atmosphere, virus is just a bare nucleus. Just a bare nucleus. It has the basic proteins, fats, DNA, RNA in it, but there is absolutely no life in it. But when the virus enters a human body or enters the body of its host, it simply is more active than ever. Basically, a virus is dead in the atmosphere, but when it enters the human body, it's suddenly alive. That is the biggest reasons that we don't have much knowledge about viruses. As we do not have much knowledge about viruses, that is why we cannot make medicines on them. On the other hand, antibiotics also do not work viruses, because antibiotics are a whole another thing. They are made for bacteria. See, when the antiviruses don't actually kill the bacteria, just see, bacteria have a bacterial wall around them. So the job of the antibiotic is to break that wall. If not only a bacteria, every organism in this planet needs a suitable condition for reproduction. The wall of the bacteria, the antibacteria is cancelling the chance of reproduction. After some time, the bacterial cell will die off, and we need vaccines if we want any protection from a virus. The reason being same, we don't have medicines, that's why we need vaccines. The remdesivir is a preventive, we can tell it as a preventive, as it boosts your immunity against Ebola. It is actually the vaccine of Ebola, remdesivir. But in the virus's case, let it be Ebola, let it be Nipah, let it be SARS, let it be MERS. In all of the cases, we need a vaccine. Vaccine is the go-to. But also sometimes these vaccines are really ineffective. For example, malaria also has a vaccine, but it's just ineffective. After 6 months, the protection from malaria would be over. So like other organisms, bacteria also has RNA and DNA. DNA being deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA being ribonucleic acid. So the viral DNA is a set of instructions to follow by the virus. That is the only reason we need vaccines. Vaccines can only help us in any situation, in any viral disease, because we don't have medicines. We don't have enough knowledge on any particular virus that we can get medicines on them. But by researching the viral DNA and the viral RNA, we get the vaccines. The vaccines will help us to get immunity, but no vaccine in this world is particularly. Thank you for watching the